Hello students. Today we are going to do more multiple choice questions on force and laws of motion. Question 1. A goalkeeper in a game of football pulls his hands backward after holding the ball shot at the goal. This enables the goalkeeper to A. Exert large force on the ball, B. Increases the force exerted by on the hands, C. Increases the rate of change of momentum, D. Decrease the rate of change of momentum. Answer is D. Decrease the rate of change of momentum. Question 2. An object of mass 2 kg is sliding with a constant velocity of 4 meter per second on a frictionless horizontal table. The force required to keep the object moving with the same velocity is A. 32 Newton, B. 0 Newton, C. 2 Newton, D. 8 Newton. Answer is B. 0 Newton. Question 3. Newton's third law of motion explains the two forces, namely action and reaction, coming into action when the two bodies are in contact with each other. These two forces, A. Always act on the same body, B. Always act on the different bodies in opposite direction, C. Have same magnitude and direction, D. Acts on either body at normal to each other. Answer is B. Always act on the different bodies in opposite direction. Question 3. In a rocket, a large volume of gases produced by the combustion of fuel is allowed to escape through its tall nozzle in the downward direction with the tremendous speed and makes the rocket to move upward. Which principle is followed in the takeoff of the rocket? A. Moment of inertia, B. Conservation of momentum, C. Newton's third law of motion, D. Newton's law of gravitation. B. Conservation of momentum. Question 5. A water tank filled up to 2 by a third of its height is moving with the uniform speed. On sudden application of the brake, the water in the tank would A. Move backward, B. Move forward, C. Come to the rest, D. Be unaffected. Answer B. Move forward. Question 6. Velocity versus time graph of a ball of mass 50 gram rolling on a concrete floor is shown in the figure below. What will be the frictional force of the floor on the ball? A. 0.5 Newton, B. 50 Newton, C. 5 Newton, D. 0.05 Newton. Answer is 0.5 Newton. Question 7. The seat belts are provided in the cars so that if the car stops suddenly due to an emergency braking, the person sitting on the front seat are not thrown forward violently and saved from getting injured. Can you guess the law due to which a person falls in forward direction on the sudden stopping of a car? A. Newton's first law of motion, B. Newton's second law of motion, C. Newton's third law of motion, D. Newton's law of gravitation. Answer is A. Newton's first law of motion. Question 8. When a balloon held between the hand is pressed, its shape changes. This happens because A. Balanced forces acts on the balloon, B. Unbalanced forces acts on the balloon, C. Frictional forces act on the balloon, D. Gravitational forces act on the balloon. Answer is A. Balanced forces act on the balloon. Question 9. Which of the following situation involves the Newton's second law of motion? A. A force can stop a lighter vehicle as well as a heavier vehicle which are moving. B. A force exerted by a lighter vehicle on collision with a heavier vehicle results in both the vehicles coming to a standstill. C. A force can accelerate a lighter vehicle more easily than a heavier vehicle which are moving. D. A force exerted by escaping air from a balloon in the downward direction makes the balloon to go upward. Answer is C. A force can accelerate a lighter vehicle move easily than a heavier vehicle which are moving. Question 10. The speed of a car weighing 1500 kg increases from 36 km per hour to 72 km per hour uniformly. What will be the change in the momentum of a car? A. 15,000 kg km per hour. B. 15,000 kg meter per second. C. 54,000 kg meter per second. D. 54,000 gram meter per second. Answer is 15,000 kg meter per second. Question 11. A passenger in a moving train tosses a coin which falls behind him. Observing this statement, what can you say about the motion of the train? A. Accelerated. B. Retarded. C. Along circular tracks. D. Uniform. Answer is A. Accelerated. Question 12. Newton's first law of motion says that a moving body should continue to move forever unless some external force acts on it. But a moving cycle comes to rest after some time if we stop pedaling it. Can you choose the correct reason for the stoppage of cycle? First, air resistance. Second, gravitational pull of the earth. Third, friction of the road. Fourth, heat of the environment. Choose the correct option. A. Third and fourth. B. First and third. C. First and second. D. Second and third. Answer is B. First and third. Question number 13. A man wearing a bulletproof vest stands on roller skates. The total mass is 80 kg. A bullet of mass 20 gram is fired at 400 meter per second. It is stopped by the vest and falls to the ground. What is then the velocity of the man? A. 1 meter per second. B. 0.1 meter per second. C. 0.01 meter per second. D. 0 meter per second. The answer is B. 0.1 meter per second. Question 14. The unit of measuring the momentum of a moving body is A. Meter per second. B. Kg meter per second. C. Kg meter per second square. D. Newton meter square per kg square. Answer is B. Kg meter per second. Question 15. The inertia of a moving object depends on first, mass of the object. Second, momentum of the object. Third, speed of the object. Fourth, shape of the object. Choose the correct option. A. First and second. B. Only first. C. Only second. D. Third and fourth. The answer is B. Only first.